You're eating less, you're moving more, you're doing everything you were told to do. So why isn't the weight coming off? What if I told you the problem isn't your calories, it isn't your willpower, and it isn't your age? There's one organ sitting silently inside your body right now that could be quietly sabotaging every single effort you make. And the terrifying part? You don't even know it's happening. Your liver. It's the second largest organ in your body and the most underestimated. Most people think the liver is just for filtering alcohol, but your liver performs over 500 critical functions every single day. It breaks down fat, it regulates blood sugar, it produces bile to digest food. It removes toxins from your bloodstream. It controls your cholesterol. And here's what nobody tells you. Your liver is the #1 fat-burning organ in your entire body. When it's healthy, weight management feels almost effortless. But when it's overloaded, inflamed, or congested, losing even a single pound becomes nearly impossible, no matter what you do. Here's something your doctor probably never told you. Your liver can be dramatically underperforming, and your standard blood tests will still show normal. Because liver damage doesn't trigger alarms on a basic blood panel until it's already severe. So how do you know if your liver is the problem? Look for these signs: belly fat that won't budge, especially around the midsection. Feeling exhausted after eating. Waking up between 1 and 3 a.m., the exact hours Chinese medicine associates with liver detoxification. Constant bloating after meals. Brain fog that hits in the afternoon. Skin that looks dull, yellowish, or constantly broken out. Cravings for sugar and fatty foods that feel impossible to ignore. Sound familiar? Your liver may be crying out for help right now. Your liver wasn't always like this. Once upon a time, it was a fat-burning machine. Then life happened. Decades of processed food loaded with high-fructose corn syrup, the #1 cause of fatty liver disease, began coating your liver in fat. Then came the seed oils, canola, soybean, sunflower, the most inflammatory foods ever introduced to the human diet. Then pesticides on non-organic produce, environmental toxins in your water, your air, your cosmetics, add in chronic stress, which floods your liver with cortisol it must process around the clock. And medications, even common over-the-counter ones, that go through the liver for every single dose. Your liver never got a break. It never asked for help. It just kept trying. Until one day, it couldn't keep up anymore. Here's why dieting alone will never fix this. When your liver is congested, it can't efficiently metabolize fat. So your body reroutes fat into storage instead of burning it. But it gets worse. A fatty liver disrupts insulin signaling, making your cells resistant to insulin. Insulin resistance then signals your body to store even more fat, especially belly fat. Meanwhile, your liver is responsible for breaking down excess estrogen, cortisol, and other hormones. When it can't keep up, estrogen dominance sets in, which tells your body to hold on to fat at all costs. It's a triangle of dysfunction. And every diet you try while stuck inside this triangle is doomed from the start. The weight isn't the problem. The liver is. Now imagine the opposite. Imagine your liver firing on all cylinders. Bile production is optimized, so dietary fat is properly digested instead of stored. Insulin sensitivity is restored, so carbohydrates fuel your muscles instead of your fat cells. Estrogen and cortisol are efficiently cleared, so your hormones finally work for you instead of against you. Your liver's natural fat-burning enzymes are activated, and suddenly, losing weight stops being a war. It becomes what it was always meant to be, your body's default state. This is what's possible, and this is what we're going to unlock right now. Phase 1. Clear the blockage. You cannot pour clean water into a clogged pipe and expect it to flow. So before anything else, you must stop what's clogging your liver. For the next 5 days, remove all alcohol. Even one drink forces your liver to prioritize alcohol metabolism over fat burning for up to 72 hours. Refined sugar and high-fructose corn syrup, the primary cause of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Seed oils, canola, soybean, corn, and sunflower oil, which trigger liver inflammation at the cellular level. Artificial sweeteners, particularly aspartame and sucralose, which have been shown to disrupt liver enzyme activity. And ultra-processed foods, which contain hundreds of chemical additives your liver must individually identify and neutralize. Remove these 5, and within 48 hours, your liver begins to breathe again. Phase 2. Flood it with liver superfoods. Now you feed the liver what it's been starving for. Start your morning with warm lemon water. This activates bile production and kickstarts the liver's natural detox cycle before you've eaten a single thing. Add beets. They contain betaine, which actively breaks down fat inside the liver cells. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cabbage activate a liver enzyme called glutathione S-transferase, your body's most powerful internal detoxifier. Milk thistle, either as a supplement or tea, contains silymarin, a compound clinically proven to regenerate damaged liver cells. And turmeric, specifically curcumin, reduces liver inflammation and improves bile flow within days. These aren't just healthy foods, they are precision tools for liver regeneration. Phase 3. Activate the fat burn switch. Now that the liver is clearing and being nourished, we trigger the final phase. Active fat metabolism. Morning fasted walks, even 20 minutes, force the liver to pull from fat stores because glycogen is depleted overnight. This is one of the most powerful liver fat burning combinations known to functional medicine. Intermittent fasting, specifically a 14 to 16 hour eating window, gives the liver uninterrupted time to complete its detox and fat processing cycles. Cold water first thing in the morning stimulates the vagus nerve and activates liver bile production. And adequate hydration, at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily, is essential because the liver uses water to flush every toxin in it. Here's the truth nobody wants you to realize. Every year you spend fighting your weight without addressing your liver is a year your body digs deeper into dysfunction. Fatty liver disease is now the most common liver condition in the world, affecting 1 in 4 adults globally. And in most cases, it shows no symptoms until significant damage has been done. But here's the extraordinary thing about the liver. Unlike almost any other organ in your body, it can fully regenerate. Given the right conditions, a damaged liver can return to near-perfect function. Your metabolism can reignite. Your hormones can rebalance. Your weight can finally begin to move. But it starts with one decision, made right now. Stop blaming your willpower. Stop punishing yourself with extreme diets. Start with the organ that controls it all. Share this video with someone who's been struggling to lose weight and doesn't know why. Leave a comment. Tell me, how long have you been fighting your weight? Because I want you to know, it was never your fault. It was always your liver. And now you know what to do.